everyone, my name is Chantel and welcome back to my channel. This is my second channel, and if you want to check out my main channel, you can find it in the iCard section. However, on this channel I make journals and I do flip throughs of them, and hauls and vlogs and whatever else I want to do that doesn't really fit on my main channel. So today I have two journals that I want to share with you that I made. I'm gonna do a flip through. They are very similar. I will show them both, and they will, at this very moment that this goes live, also be listed in my Etsy shop. So let's start with the green one first. Both journals, I will keep them side by side anyway. Both journals have a lace ribbon that ties around, all the way around. That comes off, it's not attached to the journal, and they both have an embellishment. This one has a coin, this one has a feather, and they both have a little bell. They both have a frame at the cover that you can embellish. You can put a photo inside, you can put your family crest inside, you can put your name inside, whatever you want. I left them blank for that purpose. They are both cloth bound, covered. Both have a strip of lace here and at the back as well, and have lace at the spine. The spine is about 2 inches, 2¼ inch. Yep. And these books are A5 size or 8.5 by 6 inch, both of them. Let's have a look inside. Inside, on the first page, you will find 2 pockets. Same for the blue journal. 2 pockets. And in those pockets you will find some ephemera that coordinates with the journal. So this is the green floral and the other one is the blue floral. And this is the cloth that is also used for the cover, and they are journaling cards. All the ephemera in here can be removed and you can make it your own. So if you don't like the quotes on the ephemera, you can just leave them out. A little paperclip tag and a tag coordinated with the journal. Then we've got a whole bunch of writing pages. So this journal and also the blue one, they both have 5 signatures, and in each signature are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pages, plus the 2 cover pages is 12 pages. And in the back of this, every signature has 2 pockets. One at the front and one at the back. And this is a dictionary page from a dictionary from 1960. Signature, another tag. All the pages, they don't have any decoration, this is all for writing. And another dictionary page, all stitch around. Another paper clip there, and another tag, and another piece of dictionary paper, another tag, pages, dictionary paper, and same for this one, another tag. So in every signature there is a large tag. Throughout the journal there's 3 paper clips, plus 1 at the front and plus 1 at the back, and there's also more pockets at the back. So there's plenty of stuff for photos, there's plenty of writing space, and this would be a really nice memory journal or keepsake journal for your kids or your family memories, or even a travel journal, if that is what you like to do. We can't travel right now, but we will hopefully soon again. And then I will flip through this one because it's basically the same as the green one, but then in blue. 2 tags, Ephemera there. Enlarged tag. Dictionary paper. Second signature. There's a paperclip tag and a tag there. Dictionary paper. This is sari silk, so is this blue one. This one is from the cover. And all the papers are tea stained. And a tag. Another tag with lace and sari silk. And a paperclip. And more pockets at the back and another tag there. So that is it for these flip throughs. I hope you enjoyed these little journals and me sharing them with you. Let me know if you want to see any other color schemes or themes in the future. I cannot do Disney or anything that's copyrighted material, but anything else, yes, I'm open for that. Let me know if you would like to see any other journal creations. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.